As hardware becomes increasingly homogenous, with the same cockpit chips and the same supply chain, it becomes difficult for automakers to differentiate themselves. In this context, the company with the most user-friendly, fastest updating, and truly user-focused system will be the most competitive. The Roewe M7 DMH has received its most significant software update since its launch, officially integrating the Doubao AI infotainment system over the air, OTA, making it the first truly functional Doubao AI vehicle system. For a mid-size plug-in hybrid sedan with a standard 160 km pure electric range but a starting price of only 85,800 yuan, this undoubtedly demonstrates the vehicle's sincerity. It's not a product of simple integration, but of profound co-creation. This collaboration between Roewe and Doubao Model isn't just about plugging in an interface. It's a truly in-depth co-creation process between the two parties. The Roewe and Doubao Big Model team not only rewrote the vehicle-machine interaction logic, but also optimized the training data specifically for driving scenarios and user behaviors, allowing the model to better understand the driving environment and users. Doubao Big Model's customized collaboration model didn't just pique Roewe's interest. Mercedes-Benz and Series have also announced plans to integrate Doubao Big Model into their vehicle systems. These are all truly high-end brands. Roewe's decision to integrate such technology into a 100,000 yuan family car was a welcome surprise for the industry. A more advanced technological infrastructure allows for the further development of in-car infotainment systems. It's not difficult to integrate a car infotainment system into a large model. The real challenge lies in deeply integrating it with the car itself. This is where value and competitive advantage lie. The Roewe M7 DMH adopts a vehicle-wide SOA architecture based on a large model at its core and cloud-based NLP technology, making the vehicle's infotainment system truly as smart as a smartphone. Based on the core technologies mentioned above, the Doubao AI vehicle infotainment system boasts three key capabilities that traditional vehicle infotainment systems simply can't match. Fuzzy semantic understanding. The biggest impression we get from the Doubao AI vehicle system is that it's not like a vehicle that simply executes commands, but more like a living partner. It understands not only what you say, but also what you think. Traditional in-car infotainment systems are like pre-built systems built on collective algorithms. They require explicit user commands and can easily be confused by anything even slightly complex. However, Doubao AI's way of thinking is closer to human logical reasoning. For example, when you say, "Help me put the child to sleep," many traditional car infotainment systems either don't understand you or, if they do, can only perform a single action. However, the Doubao AI car infotainment system not only understands you but can also execute multiple functions simultaneously, such as increasing the temperature, decreasing the fan speed, closing the windows, lowering the volume, and playing a lullaby. It can also interact with context, remembering your previously mentioned needs and information, integrating your thoughts, and making interaction more efficient. Furthermore, having more application scenarios, including baby calming mode, tour guide mode, chat mode, learning mode, and more, brings more lifestyle features to the cabin. In the age of AI plus hardware, it's important to understand that the key lies not in the hardware itself, but in the AI's ability to identify scenarios. Therefore, human-like performance is the highest praise for Doubao AI's scenario identification ability. Furthermore, according to official data, more than 60% of Roewe M7 DMH users are families with children. Nearly half are between the ages of 26 and 35, 50% are from new, first-tier, and second-tier cities, and 80% prefer the top-tier and second-tier models. As can be seen, the Roewe M7 DMH's primary customer group is typically young families, and this group is the most receptive user to a smart experience. A truly intelligent vehicle system has become a must-have for vehicle buyers, rather than an optional feature.